we had a great day, and we did a lot of things together. We were able to program ultrasonic to be able to detect around the environment, and we programmed a traffic light to be able to understand how the traffic lights work. And at the end of the whole day, we were able to understand how we can program each of them.
This is the day 3 of the STEM summer camp, and our kids are still having a practical with the Arduino board. See, today they are doing what we call the ultrasound, which is receiving and transmitting of data. And today's one is the most difficult one I've ever seen. And I think our kids are even getting better and better.
And today is the 3rd week of our summer camp, and today we have the practicals of the ultrasonic. It was very difficult today, but next week we'll continue.